Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a SawStop industrial table saw. It does have a 10-inch blade capacity. It's 230 volt, 3-phase. It does have a 3 1/8 inch depth of cut at 0 degrees, 52-inch fence. As you can see, it's a really clean unit. Someone did upgrade the miter to an Incra. You do have the wrenches. Nice and clean inside and out. It does tilt really easily. Go ahead and loosen that up real fast. As you can see, it's really nice action, nice and smooth. It does raise and lower as it should. Again, nice and smooth. Open up the side door. Again, really clean interior. The only thing we did notice is that this latch is broken. We do have a replacement on the way. The plastic just basically broke on the button. But again, this latch is being replaced. You do have the manual. The fence has not been hit at all. Both scales are present. As you can see, it moves nice and easily. It also locks firmly. It's a really nice, clean, late model SawStop. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.